Goods and Services, Lesson 2. Now we know what goods and services are. A good is a thing you can touch. A service is something someone can do for you. A good is something, piece of candy, a hat, a car. A service is a haircut, the mailman delivering your package, and somebody fixing your car. There are goods and services that you want or need, like a school uniform or an LOL surprise doll. There are goods and services your family wants or needs, like groceries or a good Wi-Fi connection. And there are goods and services the whole community wants or needs, like movie theaters or the post office. Today, let's think of the goods and services we want and need. Then we'll think about the needs of our whole community. Take out your notebook and make a big letter T. We're going to make another T chart. Write goods and services I want and need on the left-hand side. Write goods and services my community wants and needs on the right-hand side. Now, fill in the chart with your ideas. A good and service that I want. Well, I said I want sneakers and I want a haircut. My community does not need sneakers necessarily. Oh, we all need the post office. Deliver packages. My whole community does not need a haircut, but they need the police department to keep us safe. Safety. Now you fill in the rest. I put a lot here, but maybe put 4 of each. Next time we'll think about where we get our community wants and needs met. But right now, that's enough for today.